There can be no doubt that stomach fat is quite embarrassing for those who have it. Naturally, in order to get rid of the extra fat in the stomach and regain fitness, these people look for various weight loss programs and diets. An effective weight loss diet, for all practical purposes, is a regimented nutritional program that ensures that we eat fewer calories than what we use on a daily basis. The difference gives rise to a calorie deficit, which helps a person fast lose the extra fat in his/her stomach. So, if you are interested in seeing your stomach fat disappear fast, select and follow a weight loss plan that combines an appropriate diet with some amount of physical exercise. Never make the mistake of choosing a diet plan that leaves you sick, lethargic, or hungry. The plan should be such that it helps you live a complete, healthy and enjoyable life even when you are busy working to eliminate the additional fat in and around your stomach. No matter how eager you are to achieve fast weight loss, always stay away from any diet that will make you starve and keep you out of social functions. However, in most such cases, it is only a matter of time before you will get disgusted with all the restrictions imposed by the diet and discard it as soon as you can. You should be aware that the so-called fad diets will make you lose weight at the early stages, but all the pounds you lost will soon return with a vengeance. In fact, no such diet is necessary for you to lose weight. You can achieve your goal and enjoy life without them. It is very much possible to fast lose weight by just living life in a certain way. The diet plan you should follow must be physiologically sound and must not cause damage to your body. An effective diet that can fast get rid of your stomach fat is called Body for Life, which can improve your overall health as well. It helps you lose weight at a fast speed, and tones you up and makes you feel great at the same time. Many people have successfully experimented with this diet to eliminate their stomach fat. The GI diet, or glycemic index diet, refers to how fast your body can break down foods. Chocolate, which is digested easily, provides you with a large amount of nutrients almost immediately after you ingest it. But the capacity of your body to use the nutrients is limited. As a result, the remaining part gets stored as fat that makes you put on weight. In the case of other foods that take more time to break down, the body receives the nutrients in a steady, sensible trickle. Your body can then use them as and when they are available, which reduces the chances of gaining weight. Put differently, you can fast lose weight by choosing the right types of foods without feeling hungry. Negative calorie diet comprises foods that can create a calorie deficit, which, in turn, helps a person lose weight. Every food item needs a certain amount of energy to break down into the usable chemical components that are essential for our bodily functions. There are some foods that use comparatively more energy than others, and some use more energy to digest than they actually produce. If take care not to overdo it and also closely monitor your progress, it is a safe and effective way to lose weight at a fast pace. However, it is also extremely important for anyone willing to achieve fast weight loss to indulge in some types of physical exercise, such as running, brisk walking or jogging. A right combination of diet and exercise can soon get rid of your embarrassing stomach fat.
If you want to know the amazing fat loss code and lose 84 pounds, you should go in the link in the description, because that is gonna help you lose your belly fat a lot faster and easier. So go in the description right now.